In light of the coronavirus pandemic, several states have ordered restaurants to close to dine-in service, and it's already taking a toll on small business owners. While some have remained open for pickup or delivery, others have been forced to close. We've compiled a list of 8 northern New Jersey restaurants that you can still order from to help out small businesses in your area. From pizza topped with 24 tacos to ramen crust layered with soft-boiled eggs, Tony Boloney's is the go-to spot for unique pizza combos. The Hoboken restaurant also serves cheesy garlic bread and rainbow mozzarella sticks. Another Hoboken favorite is a hub for fresh, doughy bagels. O-Bagel is famous for its 30-pound jumbo bagel, but if you're social distancing and not up for sharing, it's also popular for loaded bagel sandwiches stacked with a mix of meats, cheese, and dressings. Fiore's House of Quality is open for pickup, and the go-to order is a hero with fresh mozzarella and roast beef covered in gravy. The 107-year-old cheese and sandwich shop makes mozzarella fresh in-house each day. The Cake Boss's home ground is also in Hoboken, right across from City Hall. Carlo's Bakery delivers all kinds of sweet treats, from cake to cannoli to the highly coveted lobster tails. For more creative pizza takes, Brother Bruno's in Wayne has North Jerseyans covered. From toppings like cannoli to grilled cheese, the restaurant is a staple spot for cheesy carb mashups. Nothing is quite as comforting as fried food sandwiched between 2 pieces of bread, and Carr Sandwiches and Shakes in Ramsey is a master at it. The sandwiches are stuffed with everything from fried mac and cheese and steak to mozzarella sticks and French fries. For a cross between Texas and Korean barbecue, Kimchi Smoke in Westwood adds a Korean flair to Texas-style smoked meats. The famous chonut is only sold Fridays and Saturdays. It's made with 12-hour smoked brisket, bourbon chipotle sauce, smoked kimchi, and cheddar cheese, and served on a donut. It can be hard to get out of bed without any place to go, but pancakes can help. From chocolate sauce and sprinkles to Oreos and ice cream, you can order all kinds of decadent pancake stacks at the Brownstone Pancake Factory in Edgewater.